Namaste, my dear friends. Well, I'm happy to welcome you back on the flow of wisdom sharing. And I decided that today I'll just share a small story about how you can take care of yourself when you feel sick. That is what I do if by any reason, I start to feel sick. So, about 3 days ago, I was in a wonderful ecstatic dance. And after the ecstatic dance, I went to the sauna. And after sauna, I love to go to the ice bath. So eventually, you have to know that men inside, they have this special quality of subconscious competition, just like boys. If you go running somewhere, you try to come first. If you hide, then you focus that you will be found last. So in the very same way, after the sauna, I went to the ice bath where I love to be and to stay. But uh, in the next bath next to me, there was another man. And eventually we were sitting, and we were sitting. And I already start to feel that I have got a feeling that even though that we didn't share a word with each other, but we have right now a competition who will quietly sit the longest. Well, as you understand, of course, I was holding, uh, let's say, the level for all of us in being profound and being very patient and enjoying the cold. So eventually, I sat for a very long time, at least, which was a little bit over my limits, as in the ice bath, I started to feel the body already tells you that, well, now you had enough, maybe time to go out. So I went over it. And on one hand, I kind of won a competition which just existed in my own head, or maybe in our both heads. And eventually, after that, I decided not to go to the sauna, but just to enjoy the fire. As a result, I felt that I overcolded myself. And on the next day, I woke up and felt that my nose is a little bit rushing and have a small cough appearing. You know, this feeling before you're getting sick. So, um, as you know, I do a lot of work connected with the body and healing. And for me to be sick, it's a very rare occasion. And even if any sickness or a virus comes, I usually very quickly get rid of it. For example, when for the first time, the first wave of that pandemic and the first wave of that specific virus, I remember I healed from it within 3 days. So what I did and what I'm also did here, if you start to feel yourself bad, then did you notice that you usually stop having an appetite? That eventually you lose your appetite and you don't want to eat. When children and people are sick, they lose their appetite. But why? The appetite is being lost because the focus or the energy of the body is being focused on that specific problem, that specific sickness or area where the body needs to do some healing work. So every time when we eat food, you have to understand that on one hand, it gives us food before the physical food is being transformed into energy that we use. First, it has to be digested. As a result, when you digest food, it takes energy. So that's why subconsciously the body doesn't want to use the energy for digesting things and would rather focus that energy on healing. So for that reason, one of the easiest things what you can do when you ever get sick, you just start fasting. So you can fast on water, or you can fast on your healing teas with lemon or anything else, but you stop eating physical food. And you do it up to the point once you truly feel hungry. You know that all of us remember this moment when we're sick that we're not hungry, but the moment we're starting to get better, hunger appears and our body tells us, okay, now I can use some extra vitamins and extra things to continue my process. So for that reason, I started to fast, and the first day I fasted for 1.5 days. And thanks to that, really quickly, the things that started to show up, it really started to come out really fast. And eventually, by now, I feel myself, on one hand, good. On the other hand, I feel a small loss of energy. As eventually the healing continues, but I'm still doing the things which I have to do. I don't have a headache or anything else. Of course, I support my body. And eventually, currently, I'm again eating, but eating once a day, only when I feel really hungry. In the rest, I try to prefer drinking juices, teas, and juices. For example, a very healthy one is the mix of the vitamin C. For example, I was drinking today orange passion fruit and three extra important ingredients: ginger, lemon, I'm sorry, fourth, turmeric, and black pepper. So all of those, lemon, of course, is vitamin C. So ginger, you understand yourself, it's very supportive at any type of cold or fever. And turmeric, it's a super, super interesting type of spice. The spice in the past was one of the most respected and valuable spices inside of India, as eventually it is one of the most healing spices that exist. As you know, I come from Estonia, and Estonia is part of the northern part of Europe. So eventually, we were a trading place where a lot of, including the spices, were traded from Asia towards Europe. And just an interesting fact for you that back then, spices costed a lot of money. How much? Well, for example, black pepper, which I also used in my drink, the value of black pepper in Middle Age Europe was 1 to 1 to gold. In other words, if I would have 100 grams of pepper, I could switch it to 100 grams of gold. So this means that black pepper was super expensive. And from there came even a German saying, he's so rich via Pfeffersack. Pfeffersack from German is literally is being translated as Pfefferback or pepperback. So of that reason, spices were very expensive during the Middle Age time. And it took me, let's say, very few people share this aspect that they think that the spices costed so much because everybody liked the taste. In truth, except the taste, there's a very important aspect that every spice is a specific healing method. It's a healing tablet. It is medicine that is, let's say, doesn't have any chemistry, petrol chemistry, black oil chemistry inside. And when you use it, you heal, and also other parts of your body heal. So it is just shocking how many things you can only heal with spices. Spices in Middle Age, that was the medicine for which people paid a lot of money. It healed your body, it tasted good, and just an interesting fact for you. So salt and pepper were the most valuable spices in Europe. So why were they exactly? People only know that they use salt for preserving things, but the other thing, that salt, when you mix it with water, 10% salty, let's say, liquid that you put on bandages and you put on wounds, they will heal and kill all of the bacteria and help for the body of the person or the wound or an open wound or even a broken arm or whatsoever to heal and to recover. So salt was using a lot for healing wounds, especially different type of open wounds so they won't get infected. And with black pepper, the interesting fact is that it very much helps with everything connected with cold, with sneeze, when you have a running nose. So that's why if you ever feel sick, use black pepper. So black pepper is a very effective tool. And now you maybe understand better that in Europe we need not only to preserve food, there were a lot of wars, so salt was used for healing people. And pepper, being the number one spice in Europe, why people loved it, not only because it gave a little bit spicy taste, And but secondly, it had the healing component, which in the northern Europe is spread out a lot, like feeling cold. In the south in Asia, you don't meet so much when you are getting a running nose. So this is just a little bit interesting facts towards it. Uh, and a small recommendation for anybody who's healing: use spices in the way that you heal yourself, and it's a natural antibiotic. It's um, it's a very natural, let's say, supplement that you can use. And every spice has its own specific element. And so, why I made a small jump towards the black pepper in the story in Europe, because I also use black pepper. You might drink and you might think, that's a very strange mix, like orange, lemon, ginger, turmeric, and black pepper. So the black pepper, interesting fact, when you mix it with turmeric, it helps to activate its elements in 10 times forward. So if you ever are using turmeric in your cooking or in your healing, always add a small pinch of pepper, and the effectiveness will increase profoundly. So this is just a small recommendation. And as a cherry on top, I'll share with you my own and secret recipe on how you can make a medicine drink for recovering quickly after you've got a cold. So when I was small, my grandmother loved to cook me. It was boiled milk where she added butter. Sometimes then she would add some honey. And yeah, and eventually already this mix, it's super good and healthy. When you're having a cold, it can warm you up and heal you a lot. But I made my own recipe, as I love to cook. So I added also cinnamon. Cinnamon, very healthy, very super spice. Secondly, I added exactly some turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. But maybe some of you watched my summer video or not, then I recommend that soba. It's a very special drink, which often was a combination of milk and Amanita. So now I'm also adding some Amanita powder into the process when I'm cooking for myself this type of a magical healing milk. And it not only gives you energy, it warms you, it kills bacteria. Amanita, while you boil it, gives its elements and also support into the healing process. And yeah, in your mind, it's very clear. So this is a small, my own recipe, which kind of a drink you can prepare if you're sick. So you boil some milk, you can add there some butter, or you can start from the very beginning that you would put butter. You would put a little bit the turmeric. You would put a little bit the black pepper, a little bit the cinnamon. So within the oil, they would open up their taste. Then you would pour there already the milk, and yeah, and whilst it's boiling, then you would add the amanita. So it would boil a little bit more, and at the end, I love to add a little bit honey, but it's ready when the temperature of the milk is going down. And it's a super tasty drink which can profoundly help you to recover in a very small amount of time your strength, your potency, and the focus. So I hope that my challenge with the man that I don't know, let's say, will bring benefits not only to me but to all of us. And I hope that today you heard something interesting and important for yourself and took in what you can use for your own healing if you ever get a cold. So thank you very much for your support. Please leave your comments. How do you heal yourself when you're getting sick? What do you do? And I hope the fasting, the spices, and the amanita mixed with the milk, all of this will suit you and help you to recover much, much faster. So, namaste, my dears, and always in touch.